Yeah, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to your channel of how to do maths before the exams. No pun intended. I know you guys been a bit worried about how to make something the subject, how to make x the subject, how to make this and that the subject. Okay, let's just go over the basic first. Let's say we have y equals mx plus c here, and we want to make x the subject. Obviously, when you want to make something the subject, you move that thing to the left hand side. So leave x on the left hand side. You want to have x on the left hand side and everything else on the right hand side. Okay, so the first thing I see is x now is on the right hand side, which is not really good. So I want to make sure that my x is on the left hand side by switching the side. So I'm switching the side first. So I technically just make everything on the right becomes the left and everything on the left becomes the right. So mx plus c equals y. So you see that I was just switching. The right becomes the left and the left becomes the right. And now you see that m stick to x, which is m times x, by the way. So m stick to x, so we're going to deal with that last. Now you see that the plus c is just by itself. So we're going to move this plus c to the right hand side first. So just copy down mx equals y minus c. I minus c because I'm moving plus c from left to right. So when I'm moving things, I'm doing the opposite, which is, so the opposite of plus c is minus c. Here we go. And then the next step is I want to make x a subject. So I want to just have x on the left hand side. Now I have m times x on the left hand side. So I'm going to divide m down here. So I have x is going to be y minus c divided by m. See? It's a game over. Sweet. Hopefully you understand this point. Let's move on to a more complicated problem. A very spicy one. It's too spicy that will burn your tongue. Here we go. It's on this side. Ha! Surprise. You think I don't have it in the first place? Okay, so I got 4 over 7x squared equals y. Now, obviously, you want to make x the subject. You want to make sure that x is on the left hand side. So you just need to switch first. Here we go. So I got 4 over 7x squared equals y. By the way, whenever you see something like this, x squared belongs to the top. So if I want to write this in a nicer way, I'm just going to have 4x squared over 7 equals y. See that? It is much nicer. There's no in between, it's just the top and the bottom now. So 4x squared equals 7, y here just by itself. In fact, we can make y as a fraction, so 4x squared over 7 equals y over 1. And now I use a technique called cross multiplying, as you have seen in many cases before. So if I cross multiply, I will get rid of all the fractions like this. So if I cross multiply here, I got 4x squared times 1 is 4x squared, and I got 7 times y is 7y. And now everything looks good. I need to isolate the x squared. So I got x squared is 7y divided by 4. Here we go. All right, the last step is just to find x. I got x squared to find x. The opposite of x squared is square root. So x is going to be square root of 7y over 4. All right, here we go. Some people, they're just really fancy and they want to put plus and minus here. No worries, And here's how we find x, the subject. Okay, that's it for now.